Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries Fire Sign. This is 2022 yearly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what are the blessings and messages for you. Aries Fire Sign. What are the blessings and messages for you? Okay. Knight of Wands, Two of Cups, Ten of Wands and Four of Pentacles under the deck. Okay, Five of Wands. There will be some competition in 2022, Aries, and there will be some inner conflict or lot of drama is going in your life. Maybe it could be in relationship or it could be in your life. Lot of drama or inner conflict or some competition is going either in relationship or either in work or either in your life. There will be some competition. And then Three of Wands. You are expecting some positive growth in your whole life. Definitely you will see the growth in your life. Maybe you will turn your back from some situations in 2022. Maybe that doesn't serve you anymore, then you will leave that situation or you will leave that person and you will move forward. And things are moving forward, things will move forward in your life. There will be some growth in your career or there will be some growth in relationships also. Definitely growth, overall there is growth in 2022. And Hierophant, you will attend family or community gatherings, the Hierophant, and you will follow traditions or you will find some stability. Definitely you will achieve or you will find some stability in your life in 2022. Maybe there is some commitment is coming, especially in love or relationship, commitment, stability. Or some of you are going to marry in 2022. This is a marriage card. Maybe there will be a chance for marriage. So under the deck, Knight of Wands. Definitely you are on fire to achieve your goal and you are very determined and very focused towards your goal. Two of Cups. In 2022, lots of you maybe you will marry the one or some of you will get the one. This person could be your soulmate. You both will have mutual love and mutual understanding towards each other. And Ten of Wands and Four of Pentacles. You know how to save your money because you have mastered in that. You are protecting your money. And Ten of Wands. Yeah, maybe in 2022 you have so many responsibilities. You sometimes you will feel like overburdened or stressed out. So if you have so many responsibilities, just share your work with other person. Ask for a help. This is the message for you. Ask for help when you want help. And Ten of Cups. Definitely you will spend some quality time with your family, especially family here, Ten of Cups. I'm seeing this, their emotional fulfillment for you in 2022. Yeah, there will be some ups and downs because Five of Wands, there will be some inner conflict or there will be some drama. But end of the day, you will win the race and there will be some emotional fulfillment for you and stability in relationship and stability in life is coming. So let's see some messages, some more messages for you, Aries. Okay. Wow. Nine of Cups, the Lovers, Eight of Wands, and Page of Wands. Some of you are dealing with Gemini here. So, Seven of Wands. You will going after what you want in 2022. Yeah, there will be some competition and you will win the race. I already told you, because you will play both offensive and defensive. You will go after what you want and you will play both offensive and defensive, because you want your success. That's why you're going after your success, even though there is a lot of competition, but you will your competition, you will get your success. And Queen of Pentacles, definitely you will find some growth in your finances, and you're very caring and sharing person. You always share your love to people around you, and you will always balance your work life and home. There will be always balance within yourself also. And take time for yourself, spend some time with you alone. And sometimes you have to nurture yourself also. It is very, very important, not only you, the people around you also. And Queen of Cups, absolutely. So you are a very loving person and you have so much love towards someone, and for some a brand new person is also entering in your life in 2022, and they want to offer their cup of love to you. And for some, you have so much love for someone here, Queen of Cups, and you're a very loving and caring person. Yes, your emotions are running high towards the loved one. So under the deck, Nine of Cups, the Lovers, Eight of Wands, and Page of Wands. Wow. So you will put your ideas into action in 2022. You have so many ideas in your mind, Aries. And Eight of Wands, you will implement your ideas into action, and there will be growth also. So things are moving forward. Things will move forward in your life in 2022. Yeah, change is coming. Definitely positive change is coming. And Nine of Cups with the Lovers. Wish fulfillment, and there will be balance, and there will be I think there will be balance in all areas of your life, like relationship and work and finances. You will find balance. And the Lovers, definitely both have a lot of passion and lot of desire towards each other. I think your love life and your work life, I am seeing both are in balance. I am seeing you are getting success, and you will fight for your success. You won't leave. So let's see some messages about your relationship or love. Wow. Wow. The Star and Queen of Cups and the World under the deck, and it's Four of Wands and Two of Wands. Definitely stability is coming, but I think your person has some fears, maybe regarding something in this relationship. Some overthinking is going here, but they want to leave anything for you, what I'm getting here, because they are very attached to you emotionally. I am seeing here stability is coming. Even though there will be some ups and downs, you will be back together again, and a lot of passion, and you both have a lot of attraction, and there will be brand new beginnings here. Yeah, there will be some ups and downs, but stability is coming. So end of the day, you both will back together. I think your person is thinking a lot here, but you have passion and you're always thinking about stability here, but they always stuck in some fears, what I'm getting here. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aries. Work through your fears, New Moon in Scorpio. Take time to breathe out and bring love into the situation, New Moon in Aquarius. So if you have any fears regarding something, so this is the message for you. Work through your fears and take time to breathe out. So if you're doing continuously work, so this is the message for you. Take a break and bring love into the situation. And under the deck, don't let your past hold you back. If you have any past baggage with you, so just leave your past and move on. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.